Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. You must register your account. Both links, okay? Both Queen Pro, just click here. Both links you will find into the description of this video. Use this my referral code SRPB capital 0B, okay? So you will get team bonus and free activation code for 1 year. Okay, this is offer 2 days. Okay, this offer will expire after 2 days, and today's date is what? 28 July 2021. Okay, and click here to register your Binance account. Okay, use this referral code so you will get team bonus, so you will get fee discount bonus. Okay, WBZ capital and 7VA12, both links. After registered your account, then you will watch complete video and do it practical with me. In this video I am showing you how to connect this API, okay, using what? Binance Exchange. Okay, because your auto trading profits will be added automatically into Binance and your fund will be safe into Binance Exchange. Don't you need to transfer here or deposit here. Okay, your amount of fund will be safe into Binance Exchange. Okay, first connect it. How to connect it? I have already logged in. Okay, both Queen Pro app, and I have already logged in my Binance Exchange account. See how to connect it now. Okay, first, okay, click here home. Okay, both method is same. If you are using app onto your Android or mobile, or you are using directly onto a Chrome website, okay, both option is same. Okay, after clicking here home, this screen will appear. Then click here to API. After clicking API, okay, here is this exchange, Binance. Just click here to Binance. Okay, after clicking Binance, okay, you are also using, if your country is not supported Binance, you can also use this exchange HUOBI or CAX. Okay, in this case I am using Binance. Just click here, but you have not added the platform API. In this case here is no any API. See how to add it. Okay, As you will see here, here is noted you cannot add API onto desktop or website on Chrome. You must use boardqueenpro.com app. Okay, how to download this? Okay, the link you will find into the description of this video. Okay, how to download this link? Okay, this function is disabled on the website. Now come on to the mobile screen. Okay, now as you will see here onto the mobile screen, I am opening Boat Queen Pro. Okay, this I have already installed onto my mobile. Okay, just click here, open it. Okay, after clicking, okay, I already logged in. Okay, now just click here API. After clicking API, click here Binance. Okay, as you will see here, here is option how to add that API. Okay, after clicking API, just click here Binance. Okay, after clicking Binance, as you will see here, view or edit. I want to edit API. Okay, just click. I am opening the Binance exchange app. I have already installed Binance app. Okay, open it. After opening, okay, just click here more. I have already logged in. Then scroll down. Okay, here is option API management. Click here. Okay, then click here create. Okay, first give any name. For example, I am giving Boat Queen Pro. Okay, give any name. Okay, just click here to create. Okay, I am clicking typing here verification. Okay, then click here to submit. Okay, it's created successfully. Now your next step, just click here to edit. After clicking here edit, okay, now click here, just be careful, enable this, enable spot and margin trading. For enabling, just click here to check it. After this, click here to save it. Click here to OK. I am typing Google. Okay, after typing Google authentication code, it's created successfully. Now just copied both of them. Okay, see how to do this. First I am copying this API, copy and paste it here. Okay, paste. Second one, secret key, just long press here and copy it and paste it here. Okay, both will be pasted. Now click here to import. Okay, import successfully, as you will see here, and click here to view.
it's created successfully. Now your Binance account connected here. In this way you can use to connect your Binance for auto trading profits. Okay, now if I am clicking here all strategy, click here. Okay, as you will see here my Binance balance showing here 54 USDT. Okay, my Binance account connected. Your account, your fund will be secure, will save into Binance exchange. Just auto trade here. This robot will trade for you and take auto profits for you, and profits will be added into your Binance exchange. Okay, you will find into the description of this video of next video how to set your trade settings. Okay, just set your trade and leave it. It trade for you, and profits will be automatically added into your Binance account. In this way, I hope you will understand everything. Okay, in next video you will be see next video link you will find into the description of this video. Choose any top coin. Okay, after choosing, as you will hear, this trade settings you will find into the description of this video, that link. Okay, how to set your trade and take profits. I hope you will understand everything about this. Okay, if you have not understand, comment below into the description of this video, or you will find my WhatsApp number into the description of that video. Okay, you will join our professional WhatsApp group to discuss and ask any question. I welcome new members. Okay, and old members, old investors to clear their confusions to join our professional team. Thanks.